Saraswat cuisine is nothing but the cuisine that is rooted from the Saraswat Brahmins, who were located mainly on the Konkan side, which includes Goa and parts of Karnataka. And it has diverse spices and incorporates a lot of coconut in the dishes. And the sweets also have a lot of jaggery. What makes Saraswat cuisine stand apart is the changing trends. The spices, for example, ambotik. Traditionally, we do not put any paprika or cumin in it. The enhancement of the taste even grows when you put cumin and paprika. So that's just the changing trends, which makes Saraswat cuisine even more diverse because it is very adaptable and caters to a lot of different diversity of people. It is not very spicy, yet gives you the kick of spices and you feel all the spices that are blended into the dish. For me, the earliest memory I remember about the Saraswat cuisine would be from my own home, when my mom and all the neighbors from around would clean the clams to make the curry, or maybe making some coconut in clams. And those memories were the fond ones because it had a sense of togetherness when all the locals would come together, bargaining with the fisherman and getting all the ingredients.